In the original context of the Islam tradition, the masjid or mosque is the base and the foundation stone for Muslim society. They play a very crucial role not only in the daily worships of the Muslim people, but also in the daily practice of governance, civic and humanitarian responsibilities, medicine, judicial system, spiritual and scholarly research, among others. Muslim mosques or houses of worship are therefore not only for the purpose of worship alone, but also serve as the center for all social, cultural, political, and various activities.
The masjid serves as the nerve center of society. Everything revolves around the masjid.
But in the course of time, particularly in the Philippines, masjids began to lose their other functions. Under this development, the masjids in the contemporary Philippine society are simply concentrated on serving as a place for prayer and worship.
The real concept of the masjid as the nerve center or the center for peace and development is now, I should say, cannot be found nowadays if not the whole entire autonomous region, but in majority of the mosques in the autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao, you cannot find the mosque as the center for peace and development, where the Muslim affairs would always emanate from it.
One identified mosque is the Masjid Kasanyangan in Santa Catalina, Zamboanga City. Owned by the prominent Sakaluran family of Santa Catalina, Masjid Kasanyangan is one among the few mosques in the country today that embraces the community in its daily management and operation.
Itong place of worship, malaking bagay sa amin kasi dito nangyayari ang karamihan ng mga religious activities namin. Pati yung mga social activities na, let's say, celebrations of festivals. Dito nagdadasal kami ng Eid, yung dalawang Eid sa every year. Dito rin kami nagdadasal ng Friday prayers. At dito rin nag-held ng mga pagturo sa mga bata na magbasa ng Quran, yung very basic na Quran. At dito rin nagkakaroon ng mga meeting, yung mga assembly ng mga elders, ng mga matatanda natin. So basically, it's a multi-purpose services center.
Among the many features of Masjid Kasanyangan is its own research center, where community members can do further studies on the many aspects of Islam. It is also a venue for regular meetings for local ulama or religious leaders and Islam scholars to meet and discuss current issues affecting their community and country as well.
You know, our constituents who pray at this masjid have questions that they ask, which they cannot ask the imam during prayer time. So we have provided for them a place where if they need to research on Islam, they can come to the center and look at the books and the periodicals and even access the internet. If they ask for it, there is a computer there that they can use. So it provides information and guidance, which is the value of such a research center.
Likewise, the masjid provides a space for women in the community to independently meet among themselves and all the same discuss pertinent issues that confront women in the contemporary Muslim society. More than its religious hierarchy, Haji Ahmad Sakaluran has formed a formal civic organization whose functions parallel that of its religious counterparts. Haji Sakaluran sees the need of an independent organized group to monitor, implement, and manage the civic functions of the mosque.
Nag-create kami ng committee para sa efficient ng pagpagalaw ng mga activities namin, particularly dito sa mosque, yung mga maintenance ng mosque o yung mga pagpaganda ng mosque, maintenance niya, gaya ng sabi. At meron din kaming ibang committee, katulad ng mga committee sa madrasa, nag-i-expand yung mosque namin. Kasi nangangailangan na kami ng madrasa para magturo ng mga kabataan namin, yung mga anak namin.
Undergoing construction is a 12-room madrasa, or Islamic school, to house the scholarly studies of the community children toward better understanding of the Quran and its application to contemporary Muslim living.
Our madrasa is expanding very quickly because of the need. We have been trying to cater the students' enrollment from year to year. We have been very serious and very committed to accommodate those students who would like to pursue their madrasa studies in our community and in our mosque.
The school will be ready for occupancy this year, and by then, the children of Santa Catalina, through the kindness of their donor, Haji Ahmed, will have a much deeper understanding of their participation as responsible Muslim community members under the divine name of Allah.